Alright, listen up. This module is about how political scientists use numbers to test their ideas about politics. They start with a theory that's just a smart guess about how the world works. Then they collect data, which is info from surveys or history. They use math to connect theory and data. Next, they describe the data like finding averages, that's called descriptive statistics. Then they use inferential statistics to guess if what they see in their sample applies to the bigger group, like millions of voters. Why do they do this? Because usually they only have data from a small group but want to understand the whole population. Statistical inference helps them make smart guesses from small data to big conclusions. But how do they make sure their guesses aren't just random? Good research design. Sometimes they run experiments where they control who gets what, like giving some seeds sunlight and others not, or giving some people a vaccine and others a fake one. Other times they just watch what naturally happens. That's called observational studies. They can't just force countries to be democratic. They watch and collect existing data instead. Now, about being random, it means everyone in the big group has some chance to be picked for the sample. This helps make sure their guesses are fair and not biased. They use probability to understand the chances of picking certain people or things. So in short, political scientists use math, data, and careful planning to test their theories. They take small samples, use randomness and statistics to make bigger conclusions about how politics works. Boom, that's statistical inference without the headache. Wubba lubba dub dub.